Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a custom ringtone. So, as you can see, if I go through my settings through FaceTime and click notifications and banners, it shows this right here, custom ringtone and Cats on Mars ringtone. See that? It's not like one of these like that. It's literally the ringtone. So what you want to do is you go into, stay in here, and then what you want to do is, you have to actually, it should come, but you probably uninstalled it for space or something like that, GarageBand. Oh wait, I spelled it wrong. Up, if you are on iPod Touch, the only thing is it does need iOS 16 or later, but you can just get an older version, and then it should start like installing. Let it install. Once it's done installing, you will tap inside the app. And I also have a recommendation for a certain website if you want like one of your favorite songs. That's really good. And it's all like, or you can even use your own voice recording saying like, hey, you need to pick up, it's probably your friend, like, or something like that, bored like that, because like, sorry, I did it in a weird accent, I was just bored and wanted to do that. And then wait until it's finally finished downloading. Gonna just move that. And now, as you can see, one is downloading. And don't worry, when you move something to a folder that shows it downloading, you can still click it. It's just like when you click the actual thing that's installing, will get will stop installing. So just give it a few seconds. Just let it load. Also, if you do have a password and you've already tried to disable it, you cannot. You need to be 13 or older if you're on a kid's account, which I am, which I found out actually pretty recently. So that's why. So like, if you have a password, just like, I don't know what you're gonna do. You probably already know it because like your parents don't care. My parents do. But anyways, yeah. Even though I kind of know it. I kind of just like guessed it. I was not really in shock. Alright, so like one of your songs, as you see, you want to get rid of that, click the little plus, set it up to 30 seconds, because that's of how long your ringtone goes for. So, 30 seconds, okay? And then what you want to do is go back into the home. If you want to, go through Safari, search up my free MP3, brings it into here. Search up whatever song. Let's do Happy. Download that. I don't know what the song, I can't remember. I think this is the right one, yeah. And then you click download. It's going to probably bring you, to a different website. So just go back into my MP3 and then click download. And once you see the little blue, it should be downloaded. Then what you want to do is go down to back into GarageBand. And what you're going to do is click the little thing that like there, and you click files and you click browse files from this app, and then you're gonna see this. You click it and it should import it in. Just give it a few seconds and then move. You hold it down and then you move it down up here, and then it should import the file and then play it. You can also trim songs. Max for 30 seconds. And then once you're done, you also get to see the audio to see how nice I'm happy. Sorry, it's a good song. I really like it. And then what you want to do is go down to my songs, and then it's going to save, and then you're going to hold it down, and you're going to click share, and it's going to say ringtones, and you click ringtones, and you click continue, and you name it whatever you want. Oh yeah, sideways, right? And then export it, and it's going to it's gonna take a few seconds because like exporting it and stuff like that. Okay, and then you click OK, and then you go back to your settings, and then you're gonna see it right here. And yes, it does work. I've actually tested it with my friend calling me one time, and it works. So yeah, that's how you get custom ringtone. Make sure to like and subscribe.